I'll images, how to add image in your web page. So for us to add the image, we need to first put the image in we need to first put the image in our file, in our HTML file. So let's go to our desktop. I want to put this particular image logo inside the file. I think the tutorial file is this, tutorial folder. So let me just, I want to copy and paste it. So copy, paste. So the name of the image, as you can see, is image logo. You can choose to rename it if you want. Okay, so whatever the name is, that's what you are going to use. So I will go back to my Visual Studio Code. If I check this my file here, you can see the image is there. So now let's see how to place it in a browser. So there's this. Let's first start with an introduction. So let me use H1. Images presentation. Okay. Images presentation. Let me just put a paragraph text. Here is an example below. Save. Let's check our browser to see what I just did. Okay. So the next thing to do now is for us to put the image. So we're going to use the image tag. Okay, so that's the image tag. So first of all, put your source. So the source is just like sourcing for the image itself. So the source, which is SRC in short, or you want to write it in full, you can write it in full. So what you are just going to do now, you're going to put this image name, which is image logo.png. You must put this .png along with it. If it's .jpeg, put that .jpeg. So it depends on how the logo is being, how the image is being saved as. So I will just click on this. That already showed me in my Visual Studio Code that that's the image I want to put. So the next thing, you can choose to put an alt, like an alternative text in case the image didn't show. So this alternative text, I'll just write logo. The advantage of this alt is that sometimes if the users, maybe network providers, maybe the network is not good, then the image didn't load, is this alt that will show. So we'll just write logo so you understand the hint that okay, this is the logo of the site. That's what is not showing. You understand? That's the advantage of that alt. So let's save this. Let's check our browser now. You can say that's the image there. You can also choose to start and size the image. Okay, adding more attributes like the height. So let's see, height 200 and the width. Let's make our width like let's just say 300. We'll just put in random values. Okay, so let's check now. You can see what's happened here. So that's just it about adding images. You can also add external images. Okay, it's possible to add external images. Let's see if I can quickly do that here. Let me on my network connection. So let's just quickly try to do that. So you just see how to do external images also. That's images that is not in your own folder. Probably you take it from Google and you don't want to save it. So you just need only the link. So google.com. Okay. Reload. So let's wait for Google to open. So which image should we use now? Let's just write web development. Go to the images. So let's just take this first one. So I just clicked on it now. So this is what to take. This is the major picture. So I right click, then I will select copy image location. Okay, so I just selected it now. I will go back to my Visual Studio Code. In this source, I'll clean the source and I will paste that link. Then save. So I've clicked the save button. Let's check our. You can see it is here now. Open. I didn't save the image per se. It's just the link of the image I took. So now you can see that the image is here also. So that's how you can do external link referring. So that's just the aspect. So I hope you understand this part very well.